Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about referral bonus on Instacart. There are a bunch of ways you can earn money on Instacart, and one of those ways is through the referral bonus program on Instacart. On one hand, there's a refer a customer program, which offers a certain bonus, and then there's a refer a shopper program, where that is where we're going to put our primary focus on tonight. So with that said, we are talking about everything that you must know about the refer a shopper bonus on Instacart, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market dependent, and what applies to me in my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Referring a friend to shop with Instacart is a huge compliment, which is why we created our referral bonus program. I don't know if compliment is really the right word here, but it does bring an important point. The people you refer can affect you on the platform and vice versa, so be careful of who you refer. On Doordash, your driver Mike was deactivated for referral fraud, and because of that, his deactivation caused the person that he referred to be deactivated as well. Now, I know that is a Doordash issue, but these companies also like to copy each other's homework too, so don't be surprised if that comes up on Instacart as well. To qualify for a referral bonus, you must be an active shopper in good standing, have completed at least 40 hours of service on the Instacart platform in the last 6 months, and have completed at least 40 hours of service on the Instacart platform in the last 6 months. Which makes sense in some regard, but let's do some quick math on this. 40 hours of service doesn't mean 40 hours online. It means work completed. For a shopper that prioritizes shopping orders, that's not going to be too much of a problem because you could probably hit that in 50-60 orders, depending on how long you spend on each order. Then there are the drivers who prefer smaller orders and prioritize just delivery, which means this will be less available to them unless they are in a market with a lot of small and easy shop and pay orders that actually pay pretty well. I would think this is in a small market with a lot of pharmacy orders, convenience store orders, or just alcohol orders in general. But not every market's going to be that way. To qualify for a referral bonus, you must enter the shopper referral code on their application in order for you to be eligible to receive their bonus. The referral code is only accepted at the start of the application because we can't add the code after the sign-up process. Once a referral code is used on an application, a shopper can't create another application using another referral code. I already see a bunch of friction with this and a lot of claims of,
well, if they didn't use the code, they wouldn't get the bonus.
Really? I watched him do it. I helped him apply. How do you explain that then?
Well, if they didn't use the code...
Dude, now you're just repeating yourself. What is going on? I asked you how that is possible when I watched him put it in. Chat disconnects. So don't be surprised if this happens on your part. Don't be surprised if that happens to you on Instacart. Complete their bonus requirements, minimum number of batches within a specific number of days on the Instacart platform. Requirements may vary by zone and role. Find the zone requirements in the referral section of the Instacart shopper app. That's actually standard for most gig apps, but don't be surprised if most of the people that you onboard stay at 0 batches completed. Not everyone has the work ethic for this. So many people complain about not having money, but don't actually do anything to make more money. Complete their bonus requirements in the region they applied in. Requirements varies by zone and rule. If you're in an area like mine, where the best zones for a lot of these orders are divided into 2 separate zones, literally divided by a single road in their system, you're gonna see that a lot, to where only half of the orders actually apply to your referral bonus. I get a lot of orders in the Fort Lauderdale market and the Pompano Beach market, and those are considered 2 separate zones, even though you could trip and fall into the other one. To find your referral code in app, tap the account icon at the bottom right hand corner, tap refer a friend, and earn X. Copy your code and tap share invites. Here you can send a message or email to friends with your code. Check in-app to see your referral's deadline and requirements for you to get a referral bonus. Once they completed the referral requirements, you'll get your referral bonus in the next pay period. Like I said, if you don't hear your friends sign on and you don't see their names on the referral page because they forgot to add the code, or if they sign on and they don't actually do the work, your friends are not like you in a lot of cases, so don't be surprised. Referral bonus amount. The amount you receive for the referral bonus depends on many factors such as zone, role, and time the referral code is used. This might be the most interesting part of this. Time isn't all that surprising realistically. Most companies like to play games with this and claim that they will pay a lot and then backpedal on their deals. Zone is going to be the main technicality they will use to justify not paying you out. Role is new though. Like, is there a different role for in-store shoppers that I don't know about? Different roles for what they apply for? I feel like there aren't many answers to this. Referral bonus amounts may change depending on demand for shoppers in a particular zone. The referral amount you receive is the amount that zone is offering when the referral actually signs up. This is their way of saying if we feel like paying you, we will, but if we can find the slightest of technicalities, we're just not. I also think that they will eventually find a new ways to weaponize their waitlist system in markets to make the referral code fail to apply or something like that. Like they hit the waitlist for a couple days and then get onboarded. So that way it was just enough time to make sure no one got away with a referral code of any kind, which is just the kind of shady nonsense I'd expect from this company. I do have a couple of side notes that I would like to go over on this subject. Walk them through it. I kind of alluded to this earlier, but one of the best ways for you to guarantee the success of the code and the link working properly is to walk the person that you are referring to through the sign-up process. Also, having someone with you during your early days is helpful to you if you are just getting started. Why not be that person for them? This way, they feel more confident doing this with someone they could actually relate to their stuff on, you know? That said, don't be surprised if they don't have the same follow through as you do. Oversaturation. One of the major arguments I hear a lot of people making against the concept of referring a friend is oversaturating your own market, which honestly, fair. If you see money in a certain market and it's oversaturated with drivers, then people who are already on the platform will be making less money. But the problem with that logic is that these companies are going to do that with or without. So that point is kind of moot. So why not make some money in the process of them accomplishing the thing that they're going to accomplish with or without you? Weaponized waitlist. All apps do this to a certain degree, but some apps like to weaponize the waitlist system to claim that you never referred the driver during the time in which the promo is active, so you end up losing money because of it. So don't be surprised if you are told that your friend is now on a waitlist for a month after you referred them, and yet someone without any kind of referrals gets in without any sort of wait time. Careful who you onboard. As we said earlier, your driver might got deactivated on Doordash, and one of the people they onboarded got deactivated as well. That said, it is also possible someone you onboard can get you deactivated as well. So if you onboard one of your friends who acts a little bit shifty among your personal friends and your personal life, and they pull some shady shit and they could really use a way to make some more money, and he's willing to hustle, that still might not be a great fit for you. Same with the friends that have always had a hard time holding a job for performance issues. This isn't to claim anyone is bad or anything, or that they aren't cool to be around, but it isn't always a good idea for us to link our names to them professionally. Affiliate links versus referral links. So one of the things that people think of, it's the concept of treating the referral link is as a affiliate link. And there is a clear difference between the two. A referral link is for your friends and family and can't be used for commercial purposes such as a blog, a YouTube channel, etc. An affiliate link is the opposite, where you can use it for commercial purposes such as a blog or a YouTube, etc. Not friends and family. Don't think because it seems like you can and there is opportunity, that means you should, because they can track where the customer is coming from. That is the literal general basis of referral fraud. Make sure that you use the right link for the right purposes. Did I miss anything? Is there something else about the referral code system on Instacart that I have yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anybody and everybody that is looking to make money on Instacart and refer their friends to the platform knows anything and everything they need to know, so that way we can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.